I'm going to show you how to find the Facebook user ID. So this works for both iPhone and Android, and what you need to do is tap on Facebook. But before we continue, subscribe to the channel. So click on Facebook, go to the bottom right on your menu, and then top right, click on the gear icon. So let's scroll down and stop until you see your activity, and you want to tap on apps and websites. So if you don't have anything here, you basically need to add an app. So once you have added the app, let's just click on this one, and if I scroll down, I can see my user ID right over here. I click on this icon to copy it, and then you can do with it whatever you want. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you're having some issues, let me know what was the problem down below, and I'll do my best to help you out.